When you go to a restaurant in Chinese, a Chinese waiter will ask you how many people. Can you answer with 3口人? No, you cannot. Why? Because 口 as a measure word, it is only used when people ask how many people in your family, as you may have learned in many textbooks. For example, 你家有几口人？我家有3口人，爸爸妈妈和我。Good to know. 谢谢。Do you want to keep learning? Check out my course, Learn Chinese 1 minute a day. It will teach you a small but very useful Chinese knowledge, including words, sentences, differences, tips, stories, and culture. Your Chinese will get better and better.